Do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. One who wins without problem is just a victory, but one who wins with lot of troubles, that is history. Most of the problems in life are because of two reasons. We act without thinking, or we keep thinking without acting. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take moment and make it perfect. The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. For every challenge encountered, there is opportunity for growth. Sometimes you have to keep your good news to yourself because everybody is not genuinely happy for you. Your best teacher is your last mistake. A sweet tongue has always captured the hearts of people. The past is in your head, the future is in your hands. Beauty catches attention, but character catches the heart. Make someone smile every day, but never forget that you are someone too. Don't blame people for disappointing you. Blame yourself for expecting too much from them. One day your pain will become the source of your strength. How strange is the logic of our mind. We look for compromise when we are wrong, but we look for justice when others are wrong. Thinking is difficult, that's why most people judge.